In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a League of Legends gift card. We'll keep it simple and make sure you feel confident from start to finish. First, open your browser and head to a trusted online game store or a reputable gift card website. Look for sellers that clearly list digital delivery and have good reviews. Sticking to well-known platforms helps you avoid delays or invalid codes, and it usually means better support if anything goes wrong. Once you're on the site, use the search bar and type League of Legends gift card or Riot Points card. Both terms are commonly used and refer to the same kind of digital code you can redeem on your Riot account. Before you go any further, double-check that the card's region matches your account. Riot codes are often region-locked, so picking the wrong region can prevent you from redeeming it later. Next, choose the amount that fits your budget and needs. Common options include $10, $25, $50, and $100. If you're gifting it, think about what the recipient might want to buy in-game and pick a denomination that covers it. Some stores also show how many Riot points each amount provides, which can help you decide. After you've selected the amount, click Add to Cart or Buy Now. If you see any optional add-ons like extended protection plans, you can usually skip them for digital codes. At this stage, it's a good idea to review your cart for the correct region, amount, and delivery method to avoid surprises. When you're ready, proceed to checkout and enter your payment details. Most sites accept cards, PayPal, or popular e-wallets. Make sure your billing information matches what your payment provider expects, and only enter details on secure pages. Look for the lock icon in your browser. If you have a promo code from the seller, this is the time to apply it. Complete the purchase by confirming the order. Some platforms may ask for quick verification, like a code sent to your device. That's normal and helps protect your account. After payment, watch your email inbox for the digital gift code. Delivery is often instant, but it can take a few minutes. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folders and keep the message safe once it arrives. The email typically includes the code and brief instructions from the seller. That's all you need to buy a League of Legends gift card online quickly and securely.